皆さん、おはようございますか。こんにちは。私は英語名はアナロドレイですが、日本語と韓国語の名前はキムレウォンです。よろしくお願いします。私が日本語を学ぶのは話している日本人の女の子たちの言っていることを理解したからです。
Japan has so many foods, but my favorite is definitely ramen. And the one I really don't like is natto.
I get that ramen is super popular in Japan. And it's totally fine to slurp it lovely there because it's actually show you're enjoying your meal.
Yeah, natto, on the other hand, is one of the most disliked foods in Japan because it smells strong and is really sticky.
Watashi wa Kathleen desu.
皆さん、私はキムです。
Konnichiwa, minasan. Watashi wa Rolando desu.
私はセドリックです。
Watashi wa nanamai wa Migi desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
Kim-san, sakana wa suki desu ka?
はい、魚が好きです。
Niku wa suki?
はい、肉も好き。
Yasai wa suki?
ちょっと好き。
Now, let's talk about Japanese food. Traditional cuisine or washoko focuses on seasonal foods and appreciating nature. Each of Japan four seasons offers different fresh ingredients which are prepared using special techniques to highlight their natural flaws.
Boshuko is not just a food. It is considered as an art form. There are a large variety of dishes in Japan. Sushi, curry, sashimi, udon, tonkatsu, ramen, and a lot more. Alam ko na! Let's play a game! Tulad ng suki or suki janai. It means, do you like it or not? Tempura,
Suki!
sushi, suki, ramen,
Suki!
dango, suki janai, wasabi.
Suki janai!
You don't like wasabi? You know, wasabi is not that bad. Very strong and usual, so some people don't like it. Konnichiwa minasan. Watashi wa Ashong desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
That was fun talking about Japanese food. What about drinks? What do you all like to drink in Japan? Do you know how to say drinks in Japan? Let us teach you. In Japan, drinks are called nomimono.
At the heart of Japan drinks culture are traditional drinks like green tea, sake, and soju, which are celebrated for their history and role in ceremonial rituals. Yet, alongside this classic Japan are also embraced innovation with drinks like raw cocktails and uniquely flavored sodas, splashing and boundaries of taste and technique. By striking a delicate balance between tradition and innovation, Japanese drinks captivate drinkers around the world, inviting them to Japanese culture and creative spirit.
First is green tea. Japanese green tea includes matcha, sencha, gen matcha, and hojicha. These drinks let you enjoy the natural flavors of ingredients. Also, milk tea is popular in Japan. It's made with black tea, milk, and sugar. This is royal milk tea and hojicha milk tea. The creamy and smooth flavor is a characteristic. Soda is also interesting Japanese drink. Ramonik comes in cold neck bottle with a marble, which is fun to open. Melon soda is popular as a summer drink.
Alcoholic drinks are also interesting. Sake is made of from rice, and can be enjoyed hot or cold. Soju is distilled, strong but smooth. Ume, Umeshu is sweet and fruity, perfect for casual gatherings. Japanese craft beer is unique too. Some beers even include local ingredients, like yuzu or matcha. It's special to enjoy these flavors. Non-alcoholic drinks have a lot of variety too. Amazake, flavored soy milk, aloe drinks, Pocari Sweat. There are many refreshing and healthy drinks and beverages.
Also, drinks can change in season. In summer, cold tea and soda, and in winter, hot sake and hojicha are popular. Japanese drinks are also diverse and reflect the culture. You want to try them all?
Everyone, today we learned a lot about Japanese food and drinks.
That's right. We need to understand the flavor and culture of Japan.
We want to try all different drinks.
Food and drinks are really interesting.
Thanks everyone. Let's end this discussion here.
Japanese food, sashimi and sushi. Sashimi is thinly sliced fresh, raw fish, eaten with soy sauce or other flavorings. It is a well-known Japanese cuisine. With sashimi, the sliced fish is not just laid out plainly. Instead, the fish is arranged beautifully. Other ingredients are placed under the sashimi, such as finely cut radish, seaweed, and shiso, or known as a Japanese herb from the mint family. These are called sashimi not suma, or sashimi garnishes. You can eat them but do not have to. Sushi is sashimi and vinegared rice, and is becoming popular around the world. There are several types of sushi, such as nigiri sushi, or sushi rice shaped by hand and topped with sliced fish. Maki sushi, or sushi rice and fillings rolled in a sheet of seaweed. Chirashi sushi, or a bowl or box of sushi rice topped with various ingredients. And oshi sushi, or sushi rice with toppings pressed into a frame or box. Sushi may be very expensive if you go to a specialty restaurant, but there are also many inexpensive sushi restaurants. Kaiten sushi is a type of restaurant where sushi is delivered to customers on a conveyor belt. Sushi is relatively cheap in these restaurants. Sushi is also available at takeout sushi chains, supermarkets, and convenience stores. Tempura. Tempura is made by deep frying seafood, such as shrimp and fish, or vegetables such as pumpkin and eggplant, in batter made from wheat flour. It is a traditional Japanese food. Its name is said to be from the Portuguese word tempero, or seasoning. Tempura can be eaten with a dipping sauce or salt. It is also served over rice or noodles, such as soba or udon. Udon and soba. Udon and soba are typical Japanese noodles. Udon is made by boiling thick, white noodles made from wheat flour. Soba is a noodle made from buckwheat flour. Both udon and soba can be served in hot soup, or boiled first, then chilled in water and served on a plate with a thick dipping sauce. There are specialty restaurants that serve only udon or soba. However, Many soba restaurants offer both udon and soba on their menus, so you can choose. There are udon and soba restaurants in most train stations. They serve noodles cheaply and quickly and are very convenient when you are in a hurry. In Japan, people eat noodles such as udon and soba noisily with a slurping sound. This is because slurping the noodles makes them taste better. It is also a way of communicating how delicious the noodles are, through sound instead of words. Why not practice trying to slurp noodles such as udon and soba in this way? Here are some examples of types of udon and soba. This udon or soba is topped with tempura such as shrimp, kitsune udon, tsukimi soba, zaru soba.
Curry is an Indian cuisine that was introduced to Japan via England during the Meiji era, 1868 to 1912. After that, Japan developed its original style of curry. It is said that Japanese people eat curry more than once a week on average. Curry is available in most restaurants, including set meals restaurants, soba restaurants, and gyudon restaurants. Most buffets in Japan include curry on the menu. In this way, curry is very popular in Japan, has been called a national Japanese food. Gyudon. This rice bowl is topped with thin slice of beef, stir-fried with onions and seasoned with a salty sweet sauce. It is sometimes also served with red pickled ginger. There are several gyudon chain restaurants in Japan, such as Yoshinoya, Matsuya, and Sukiya. You can enjoy gyudon at low prices at these chain restaurants, and it is popular casual meal. Katsudon pork cutlet bowl. This rice bowl is topped with the tonkatsu pork cutlet and onions and served with egg. It is available in specialty tonkatsu restaurants and also other restaurants such as set meal restaurant and soba restaurants.
Oyakodon or chicken and egg bowl. This is a very common item often found at set meal restaurants and soba, which means buckwheat noodle restaurants. It is a rice bowl topped with chicken and egg. The name Oyako, or which means parent and child, comes from the fact that it is made from chicken and eggs. The dish is simmered in a savory dashi-based sauce before being poured over rice. It is sometimes called tanindon, meaning unrelated person, when another type of meat like pork or beef is used instead of chicken. Kaisendon or seafood bowl. This is rice bowls are topped with various types of sashimi, sliced raw fish or seafood. They can differ greatly in the type of fish used, depending on the restaurant and region. A common variation is tekadon or tuna rice bowl. Another common luxurious type is sake ikuradon, rice bowl topped with salmon and salmon roe. Unadon or eel bowl. This is a rice bowl topped with eel that has been split, grilled, and cooked in a sweet savory soy-based sauce. Eel can be quite expensive, especially when eaten at specialty restaurants. The quality is sometimes ranked from highest to lowest as matsu or pine, take or bamboo, and uma or porflam. Matsu is the highest rank. In Japan, there is a traditional of eating eel on the day of the ox, Doyo no Yushi no Hi in midsummer, and many people eat unadon or unaju, eel served in a lacquered box on this day.
Natto, a traditional Japanese breakfast food, is fermented soybeans known for its strong smell, slimy texture, and pungent flavor. Despite its challenging appearance, natto is nutritious, high in protein, vitamins, and probiotics. It Japanese believes that natto helps to improve skin health and boost immune system. Natto is a cultural symbol of traditional Japanese dietary habits, emphasizing fermented foods for health. Umeboshi, or pickled plums, are intensely sour and salty, used in Japanese cuisine for flavor and preservation. It helps to aid digestion and prevent fatigue, with medicinal properties. The pickling process involves salt and red shisho leaves, giving them a distinct flavor and color. Umeboshi is deeply ingrained in Japanese tradition, used in onigiri and lunch boxes, but its strong flavor can be challenging for foreigners. High salt content means moderate consumption is advised. Shokara, a fermented seafood dish, is a pungent and salty delicacy often served with alcohol, made by fermenting seafood with its innard in salt. Shokara's strong aroma and taste can be challenging for non-Japanese.
Japanese sake is an alcoholic beverage made from rice. It is produced all over Japan, and its alcohol content usually ranges from 14% to 16%. In Japanese, the word osake can mean sake specifically, but it can also refer to alcoholic drinks in general. Types of sake. There are different types of sake depending on how it is made. Junmaishu, made only from rice, malted rice, and water. No artificial alcohol added, and it has a mild, mellow taste. The second one is Jinjoshu, made with highly polished rice where the outer layer is removed, known for its fruity aroma and smooth texture. Amakuchi, meaning sweet. This type usually has a lower alcohol content. Karakuchi, meaning dry. This has a sharper taste and higher alcohol content. Japanese breakfast. A traditional Japanese breakfast includes several dishes, usually consisting of rice, miso soup, grilled fish, egg, dried seaweed, natto, which is fermented soybeans, and pickles. However, fewer Japanese people eat this complete set every day. Today, many prefer simpler or Western-style breakfasts such as bread and eggs or quick options like yogurt or convenience store sandwiches. Or miso shiru is prepared by mixing miso paste into soup stock. It contains ingredients like tofu, wakame seed, and radish. Raw eggs in Japan. Raw eggs or tamago are also commonly eaten for breakfast, often mixed with rice. Japanese food culture, from the unique production of sake to the traditional breakfast meals, reflects Japan's balance between tradition and modernity.